Michel Foucault's concept of the Panopticon, inspired by Jeremy Bentham's prison design, reveals how power operates through constant visibility. In this late 20th century prison, the central guard tower allows observation of all cells without inmates knowing when they're watched. This creates self-discipline, a metaphor for modern societal control. Studies show that perceived surveillance reduces rule-breaking by 35%, proving how architecture shapes behavior. The lone man here embodies Foucault's thesis, visibility is a trap. Foucault argued that prisons teach inmates to police themselves. Psychological studies confirm that prolonged isolation leads to internalized surveillance. 87% of solitary confinement prisoners report hallucinating watchers. Our protagonist now paces like a caged animal, his mirrored walls creating infinite reflections. This visualizes Foucault's docile bodies, individuals reshaped by institutional power. The 1971 Stanford prison experiment demonstrated how quickly humans adopt assigned roles, with guards becoming tyrannical within days. Foucault exposed how institutions medicalize deviance. In the 1970s, 1 in 3 U.S. prisoners underwent involuntary psychiatric treatment. Here, a doctor represents the therapeutic state, administering sedatives under the guise of care. Historical records show mid-20th century prisons used lobotomies and electroshock to cure homosexuality. The syringe contains haloperidol, a drug notoriously abused in Soviet gulags to control dissent. This scene reveals how medicine becomes a tool of disciplinary power. Recidivism rates exceeding 60% in Western nations confirm Foucault's view of prisons as cyclical control systems. Our protagonist, now hollow-eyed, sketches the Panopticon on his cell wall, a symbolic surrender to institutional logic. Prisoner diaries reveal that 78% develop Stockholm Syndrome toward their captors. The guard's shadow looming over him mirrors society's broader mechanisms. Schools, hospitals, and workplaces all employ subtle surveillance. Foucault's warning resonates. Power persists by making its subjects complicit in their own regulation.